Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you did they watch this my video. I dey greet all of now. E get one story where I want talk. Story. Once upon a time. And this story, if I talk and finish, you where they watch this video, you go tell me for comment section wetin you learn from this my story. Like my page and subscribe so that whenever I share another video, you will see my updates, things what I share. You see this thing what I hold? Look and well. What thing be like? This thing what I hold na tortoise. They get this thing with another one would be tortise. For this one na tortoise. You see this animal? This very tortoise or turtle is a very kunny animal. So kunny. I won't tell you the reason why in shell be like this. Such in shell be scatter. I saw him be for real life. In shell they joint. I want to tell you one small story where you go use learn something for life. The reason why tortoise or turtle why in shell do like this. And after this nice story, you go tell me what thing you learn through my comment section. This turtle, back in the years, this turtle or tortoise in the land of animal, they get festival in heaven. No go ask me which time did that because not me talk the story. I dey tell you wetin our forefather tell us, the reason why this in back be like this. So they get feast for heaven. You see turtle or tortoise no get wings. It cannot fly. You know fit fly. So how you go fit use go heaven? So they invite all the animals, both bird, you know say bird they get wings and they can fly. They can fly above. So when this invite was being made for them to come for a festival in heaven, so tortoise come look, he come see say he no get wings and there is no way wey he go use fit fly. He no go fit fly. Na him go dey meet birds, all the birds, they beg them make they help and give am wings, make they help and give am feather, make him get wings so that he can fly. Follow them go that feast in heaven. As him beg them, all the birds come gree, come join hand, gather wings, gather feather, give tortoise come form wing go use fly like all that birds go heaven. They can't go the feast for heaven. When they reach there with other birds, they can't say for this feast say rules and regulation dey. They can't say all the animals will come go answer, go choose name where they go answer. na him all the birds come dey say this one go say im name na Chidi, this one go say im name na Shetima, this one go say im name na Julie. As they come ask tortoise, wetin come be your name wey you wan choose, na tortoise come talk say im name na all of you. They come say which one be your name be all of you, he say na wetin he choose say he wan answer. So okay, they come say no problem now, say since he don talk like that, say no wahala. So the feast come continue. Now when the feast continue, they come bring food, may come serve them. As they serve them, the person wey serve the food, na tortoise come ask am say, this food wey you serve, which people get am? Na him the person wey serve the food come tell the animals and tortoise say the food na for all of you, say they bring am for all of you. Na him tortoise come tell the birds say, when I don see am, say na him name na him dey call, say na him name na him dey call. Na him tortoise carry food chop come chop finish. Na so they bring drink o. As the person wey come dey serve drinks to all the animals come, na him tortoise come ask am, which people get this drink? Na him come say na all of them na him get this drink. Na him tortoise say tell the bird say, when I don see am, no be me do am o, he say na my name o. Tortoise carry drink, only am come drink finish. So when the feast come finish now, it is time for them to go back. Na all the whole birds wey follow come to that party come vex. All of them come dey collect their feather from tortoise body, say they no give again. Since na tortoise na eat the whole food finish, say they no give again, make tortoise find way. Or you know what way they go collect in bed, say no give again. They collect all the bed, all the feathers wey tortoise get, when use form wing. Tortoise no get wings again, they leave am fly down to earth back. Tortoise come remain for heaven, he come look, come say wetin he go do now. So the last bird wey wan go down to earth, wey wan fly down to earth, dey beg am. When that one dey collect him wings, him feather back, say make him help am tell him children, make him children help am, since he wan collect him feather, make him children help am prepare bed for down, foam, wey dey put foam for ground, so that if he from heaven fall, he go fit no wound. But due to say the verse wey he don already make birds, all the birds, the last one wey he send the message, come go tell tortoise children, say your father talk say make you put knife, make you put bottles for ground, make you put all that thing for ground, say so that as they fly they come down, make they put all those things. Now your children go carry bottles and knife, come go put for ground. So as everybody don't leave tortoise for heaven, now come back to earth. Now him tortoise no come get choice. He say make him fall from heaven, come back to earth. As him follow, now him body go through for all the bottles and all all the knives wey im children prepare come scatter im body. They come scatter im body. So na im tortoise, they come carry tortoise come go to snail. You know say snail get gum, e get saliva wey dey gum. Na snail come use im saliva come gum tortoise body, make him come back normal because all im body scatter. Still that one no still end o, e no end like that o. Na im tortoise still after snail don gather don use im saliva gum tortoise body back, na im tortoise still get mind, still come go carry snail put for fire roast am. This tortoise, e still go carry, you see this tortoise, na im still go carry snail wey gum im body go put for fire roast am chop am. So na so life be. E get some people wey say you go help for life, instead of maybe show you that kindness back, wetin they go do be say they go come dey treat you bad. They go come forget say na you help them, say wetin God make them make they be today, na you follow among the people wey contribute, wey help them. But they no go remember. They go do like tortoise, come dey chop alone, come dey do like say na them sabi pass every other person. So na so the thing be. So you wey hear this my story now, tell me wetin you learn, wetin you feel, wetin tortoise do you good, or e get for human being wey dey like tortoise. Okay now, una goodbye.